Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Guys, what if I told you that YouTube can actually replace your 9 to 5 income even in this 2025 competitive landscape? Now, with the new monetization tools and smarter algorithm, this could be your year. Trust me when I say that. Now, let me show you how thousands are making a full-time living by simply hitting records and how you too can do it. Now, before we dive in, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell because this channel is where creators like you turn their passion into profit, right? Now, first of all, you need to understand the latest 2025 YouTube landscape. Okay, YouTube in 2025 is no longer just a place where you come in and post cat videos, these videos or that. No, it's a $1 billion ecosystem fueled by content creators, brand deals, fans donation, and now AI-powered audience targeting. Now, if you're thinking it's too late to join, you are wrong. Because new niches are exploding daily and the YouTube Partner Program now supports more formats. More format like short, podcast, long-form videos. And that also extends to lower subscribers threshold. Okay, now these are a few things you need to know in order for you to make money on YouTube. First of all, you need to choose the right niche. Not every niche pays equally. I hope you are aware. Now, in 2025, the highest paying niches are, just pay attention because I'm going to list them now. The highest paying niches currently now is number one, personal finance. Those people that talks more of finance. Then secondly, AI tools and tutorials, how to do this, how to do that. Then tech reviews, business entrepreneurship, and also those that are into health and fitness. These are the highest paying niches in YouTube in this 2025. So you need to pick a niche that interests your passion and also make sure that the niche you pick has a high CPN. You understand? Niching down helps you, like niching down your content helps YouTube to categorize you faster. It helps you to categorize your channel and your videos faster, thereby growing your reach. Okay. Then also you need to set up for monetization. Now, to earn full time, you need to enable every monetization stream, right? You need to join the YouTube partner program, and also you need to activate your super thanks, membership, and live chats, right? You need to sell digital products, courses, ebooks, templates. Okay, so enable affiliate links in your description in each of your videos, and always do well to reach out for sponsorship once you hit that 5,000 subscribers. Now, another way for you to actually make money on YouTube is please post consistently but strategically. Don't be burned out by posting daily. No. Instead, follow this format which I'm going to list for you now. Number one, make sure to create a long form video, maybe 8 to 12 minutes maximum, and post like maybe 3 to 4 times per week, depending as your energy can carry you. You understand? So you also need a 2 to 3 years, you also need to create short videos as well. As you post your long form videos, also post short videos. Truth of the matter is that short form videos helps your channel to gain visibility, and also gain subscribers, but it doesn't give you that watch hours. No, it doesn't give you watch hours at all. It can only make you visible. It can only make you to gain subscribers, but gaining watch hour from short form, no. So for you to gain that visibility, please post also short form videos in your channel. Also, those of us that doesn't like going live, you need to at least go live twice or once in a month in order to connect with your fans. Okay, but create content and schedule it. I schedule my videos a lot. I schedule it. Use tools like Notion, Trello, or TubeBuddy to plan ahead. Now, the new 2025 YouTube Studio even suggests your ideal posting time based on viewers' data usage. Okay, it depends on the time your viewers are online. So you need to also study when your viewers are online in order for you to actually know when to post videos. Then also you need to master the algorithm. You need to master your algorithm. Now, the 2025 YouTube algorithm favors high click-through rate, use of bold thumbnails and clear titles, high watch time. You understand? Make sure you hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds of your video. Okay, now consistent niche identity also. Try to stick to your theme. If you are into lifestyle, please stick to lifestyle. Don't switch and enter another niche. If you are into health and fitness, stick there. If you are into how to make money tutorials, stick to it. Stop jumping up and around. Also, engage with your audience. Ask your audience and viewers to always comment on your videos, like your videos, subscribe, share. And also, when they comment on your videos, please do well to respond to them. React to their comments. Cross promotion via shorts and community posts. Make use of your community posts. Some of us don't use in fact, I'm guilty of this. I hardly post on my communities except on days that I remember. But I promise to change anyway. I promise to change. So I want you to know that YouTube reward watch sessions. Yes, if YouTube keep people on the platform, even if they leave your video to binge another, your content will still rank better. So you need to diversify your revenue. Don't rely solely on AdSense. Yes, on AdSense. Then here is a full-time reliable income that you can actually venture in. Brand deals. Use platforms like Aspire, Creators IQ in order to reach out via emails. You need to also go into digital products. Another way you can make money is to go into digital products, sell templates, courses, or Notion planners. Also, you can go into coaching and services. You can engage into online coaching and services. Position yourself as an expert. You understand? Brand yourself so that if you are speaking to your audience, you speak authority into them and they will listen to you. Then another way you can actually make money on this YouTube is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing like your Amazon Associates, Impact, or sometimes niche programs. Yes, these are another ways you can actually make money. Another way for you to also make money here on YouTube is when you're monetized. You earn money through fan support. So once you get monetized, whenever you post any video, please do well to enable YouTube channel membership on your channel. Patreon and buy me a coffee. These are ways you can actually earn. Then also mixing income stream creates stability. Mind you that one viral video should never be your only plan. No. Think like a business. Treat YouTube like a startup. Track your income and expenses. Reinvest into better gear, editing tools, or a VA. You understand? Analyze your video performance weekly. Go to your analytics, your YouTube studio. Analyze your performance. Analyze your video analytics very well. Use community polls to test new ideas. And also create a newsletter or website to build an audience off YouTube. Now, here is the bonus tip. In this 2025, you can now license your content as AI training data. Yes, don't ignore new monetization offers in your creator studio. Okay. Now, I want you to also know that YouTube isn't just a platform. It is a passport to freedom. It's now, if you're ready to make more money on this YouTube, you need to stop scrolling right now and start earning. Stop burning your data watching other people's video, whereas you can actually earn. You understand? You need to start earning. This is your sign. Remember that every full-time YouTuber once had a 0 subscriber too. Your moment starts the day you stop hesitating. Stop wasting time. There is no time at all. You understand? Now, if this video helped you, please do well to smash the like button. Drop a comment saying 2025 is my year And make sure to share this video with someone who needs a wake-up call. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because this channel is where creators become CEO. Now, are you dreaming of quitting your job and making YouTube your full-time income in 2025? This video breaks down everything you need to know, from niche selection to monetization tips, mastering the algorithm, and creating multiple revenue streams. So whether you are just starting or stuck at 500 subscribers, this guide is your roadmap to building a profitable YouTube career this year. Thank you very much for coming around. See you guys in my next video.